Good morning, Kobe. Do you want to tell everybody where you are?
We're at a campground.
We're camping today, huh?
And look, show them the fire.
Okay, so this is our first morning camping.
No.
Yes?
Oh, no, this is our second.
First. It's our first morning.
Morning.
Yeah.
Look, show them the fire.
Okay, I'll show you the fire that we have going. There's Daddy and Callie.
Hi. This is what Callie was doing when she wanted to get holded. She was like, hold me.
That's what she was doing this morning. Huh?
Yep, and she said, hold me. And then you finally holded her, and then Daddy finally holded her.
Good morning, Kian.
It's really cold outside.
Did you sleep good, Kian? It was cold last night, huh?
Yep, I was like, I need this blanket. I need every blanket.
I know, same here.
And that's what the same outside.
Kobe wants to talk some more. Kobe wants to go swimming.
Bring it.
Yeah. Cadence wants to talk some more.
We are going to go swimming when it warms up.
Yes, because it's still too cold.
So
our plans for the...
That's why we have our blankets, our jackets, and I'm on my mom's chair.
Yes. Our plans today are
Mine is too little.
Eat breakfast. We're having eggs, bacon, and sausage, and then we're going to clean up.
Bacon and sausage.
Yes, and then we're going to go clean that up. And we're going to go to Crater Lake today. And then
we're going to read what's
all about Crater Lake.
Crater Lake.
And then after that, we are coming back here and going swimming.
If it's warm.
If it's warm. Okay, Kian.
And if it's not warm for the whole entire day, then we don't get go swimming until...
We're going to bed with Auntie Lisa.
We're going to bed.
Yep,
where our neighbors live from our camping.
Yeah, our neighbors here at the campsite are from
They
Bend.
live in Bend.
And then on today's Wednesday and on Friday, we're headed to Bend to go camping.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday.
Yep. That's our plan, huh, Kobe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does Callie want to talk?
Hi.
Hi.
Was it cold? Were you dirty? Do we hear birds? What sound does the bird make?
That's the noise that woke me up last night. I mean, this
Is it
morning.
loud?
Yeah,
like that.
Right when it was the morning, it went. It's like a little cock-a-doodle-doo-doo-doo rooster that wakes
It
you
was
up.
freezing last night, and we're just trying to stay warm.
You had the weirdest dream.
I did. We're just gonna try to stay warm here by the fire for a little bit, have some breakfast,
Cheese.
and
Daddy,
then do something else.
can I
She's
tell the
freezing.
camera
Look at her little
something?
hands. Frozen.
Can I tell
Frozen.
the camera something?
Stay warm.
Daddy had a dream that
It's just a bad dream.
it was a bad dream, but it was a weird dream too, with a lot of masters.
Master, do
The
this.
great master.
Do this.
And then he took 3 spirits.
All right. Let's end this morning's vlog and start some breakfast.
Woke up and then he was like, that was weird. What was that?
Okay, let's end this morning's vlog and have some breakfast.
Alrighty, goodbye. See you guys later.
Goodbye.
Bye. See you guys later.
I want them to see me crying.
Guys, hopefully you don't see me crying. We are leaving Crater Lake now. I'm terrified out of my mind because I'm ridiculously terrified of heights. But I wanted to show you guys some of the beauty that we get to see along a trip.
Daddy was gonna vlog.
Can you see it? You see the rail.
Oh my bad. So I can't look. I don't know what I'm recording because I can't look out the window. But yeah, Daddy was recording earlier, or he thought he was vlogging earlier.
I know.
And I looked back and all he did was take a picture of himself. So you guys missed the whole vlog of us up at the top.
You'll see photo.
But you'll see a photo of Daddy, but that's it.
On the video, put that photo. The parts when the grass is really close.
So then we need to stop somewhere so I can re-vlog it.
So Daddy can re-vlog.
Yeah, so I can go out so they can see Crater Lake. Because what's the point? Nobody even sees Crater Lake.
A lot of people did.
Where are you stopping here?
No.
Oh. Well, maybe we'll stop at that one site.
Super high one?
No, I won't get out.
I will. Just me. Nobody else can now.
Falling rocks.
Falling rocks. So, I'm hoping to show you the part that did.
Whoa.
Okay. Ooh, it's so pretty.
Look at all those clothes.
Right here, this one.
Whoa. Look at
All those rocks.
How I think it is.
Shh, because being quiet's going to be safer, guys.
It does. It's less distracting. Then the driver is less distracted. The quieter you are, the less distracted the driver gets. Period.
Can I tell them how Crater Lake was that deep?
How deep is Crater Lake, Cadence?
I don't know how Crater Lake was made.
Oh, how was it made, Cadence?
Crater Lake was made by a volcano that blew up,
Erupted.
erupted.
Yes.
Like
7,700 years ago.
And erupted. I'm glad I wasn't born that day.
Just have to show you. See that island right there? It's called Wizard Island. You can take a boat out to it. Amazing. That's amazing, isn't it? It's absolutely amazing. Alright, here we are. It's the lake, as you can tell. I don't know if you guys can see. I can see because I got polarized glasses, but like there's just a little bit of shallow right there. And then like it's just a steep drop off. You can see that it just gets super deep. Like immediately. That is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Just the view. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing wonder. I just gotta say, like, we wanted to go around the whole Crater Lake, but Heather was really scared. She was like absolutely terrified. That's the island. That's the lake. And you look over here, just all just rocks and viewpoints. Let's see if I can get another different view. There you go. This is the other side. There's the island. So that. People hike that. There's a hiking trail right there. People actually hike all the way up there to the top. I don't know if you guys can see, but right on top there's like a lighthouse or something up there. That's quite a far hike. I don't think we're gonna make that hike. I think Heather would freak out. Yep, this is Crater Lake. And this is it right here. That's all. It's a little foggy, windy, but beautiful. This is a better view. Again, there's that kid down there. If you can see it. This is absolute gorgeous view right here. We were up over here earlier. There's another view of the lake. You get more of a better feel of how big the lake is. If you've never been to Crater Lake, this is it right here. Absolutely beautiful. This is what we get here in Oregon. Absolutely beauty. And I think Cadence and Heather will give you guys the history behind it if they hadn't already. But the way it was formed and everything was absolutely amazing. And the water is like crystal clear. I bet if I went down there, I could see all the way down to the bottom. It is crystal clear. Because like right now, just looking at it without my I have polarized glasses, so I can see a little bit better. But even without my polarized glasses, it's just like crystal blue. So I bet you if you're down there, it would be like absolutely ridiculously clear. But it's super nice. I'm so very grateful that I get this opportunity to see this natural, beautiful made lake.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Oh, I like to eat apples and bananas.
No nose.
I like to eat apples and bananas.
Now you. I like to eat
apples and bananas.
I like to eat
apples and
bananas.
Okay. I like to keep.
Now you're just making stuff up.
Keep on my kiki. I'm full of my Cheetos.
Ah, my finger.
After my Cheetos.
We're going back to our campsite.
Your ears popping?
No, my ears are plugged.
Is that why you're talking? Is that why you're talking?
Yes!
Did you hear what I'm saying?
Yeah, okay.
What did I say?
Where are we going?
I don't know.
We're going...
We're going in the desert.
Feels like it, huh?
Yeah, it looks like the desert. Show them the desert. Yeah, from cactuses.
That's the desert.
It's not really the desert. Desert is far.
We're headed back to the lake that we're staying at, which is La Mola Lake, and we're gonna go to
The lodge.
the lodge and check out their. They have like a gift store and a restaurant and a shop and stuff.
Can
And we
be in the video?
need to get. What are we after?
Goggles.
No, a new lighter. Yeah, our lighter broke.
Can we not be in that one video?
We'll see. And then we're gonna get hot chocolate, and then we're gonna go back to the campsite.
Yeah.
Goggles too.
Yeah.
Goggles too. Hot chocolate too.
Well, we made it safely down Crater Lake, and Mommy didn't cry. I wish we would have been vlogging when she was crying. Like, nobody say anything. As if being quiet was going to make it safer.
Look at my tongue. Don't forget we have to get I got Cheetos and Fanta.
And the kiddos were
My
brave.
cappuccino.
Not one kiddo was. I know I heard you, buddy. Not one kiddo was scared. But my big kiddo over there, Heather, was scared. She was freaking out, dude. Like seriously. Like I was driving in the middle of the road because she was so scared.
Oh yeah,
So
there's
scared.
like a scratch right there. There.
What are you doing? Well, that was Crater Lake. Not exactly what we expected. I don't know. Maybe we were expecting a straight I-5 shot there, and it was like nice and flat, and we can go and play in the water.
Pretty much.
But it was too deep.
But it was very steep.
Yeah. So we didn't do any hiking or anything just because it was too.
Yeah. So
Too scary.
Scary.
we couldn't go past the gift shop
Nope.
because she was too freaked
Nope.
out.
I said
We
nobody
almost
goes
didn't even
past.
make it to the lodge. I had
Nope.
to pull over.
I'm gonna pull over so I could cry and freak out, and then got back on the road, and we made
Keep on
it.
going.
Where are we?
We're at Bend?
No,
Crooked
Crooked River.
River.
It's Lake Billy Chinook.
It's scary for mommy.
It is. Look at that. Show them that, sister.
Mommy only likes the view, just not the height. Last time something happened.
What happened?
I don't know. Remember when we were coming here?
Oh yeah, the rocks fell off.
Oh yeah, there were some rocks falling.
Falling rods.
And mommy freaked out.
So there's a swimming place, the Crooked River.
What color is the water?
The color is green.
Oh my gosh, oh, you got it, sis?
Yep. So here is Mommy's scary
Is that a houseboat right there? That is. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, houseboat. That's awesome.
Well, I don't know. Because the sun, I can't really see if I'm getting into the video or not.
You're like, what is it called when you stand up?
Oh, like windboarding or something like that.
We're gonna be going up now.
Oh.
Yeah.
And we're on the edge. And we're on the other side.
Yeah. Yes, Shinodi.
We're going to Smith Rock.
We're jumping off the bridge.
Oh yeah, we should have. Like when we were coming to this campsite, people were like jumping off the bridge.
Yep. Sissy said that was the code.
And then when we were still coming here, we saw people bungee roping down.
Bungee jumping.
Bungee jumping down a bridge. Narrow bridge.
Truck 5 miles an hour. We're in a truck, so we'll go 5 miles an hour.
That's right.
Look at this. Beautiful. It's like we're in a freaking Grand Canyon or something.
Yeah, it looks like the Grand Canyon. Beautiful, beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful.
It's just because mommy.
This is the many wonders you get in Oregon.
It's beautiful, beautiful.
It's Eastern Oregon. So if you can tell, it's not as green as it is at home. It's all kind of like deserty like.
Deserty like
Yes,
kind.
kind of.
Squigglies.
So we need a boat.
Daddy, squigglies.
Squigglies, yep. Hairpin turns. Well, what do you do?
Oh.
And where are we going, guys?
We're going to Smith Rock.
And meet up with who?
Auntie Lisa. Auntie Pangy. Sienna. Audrey. Isabella.
Yes.
And Andrew.
No.
No, Andrew. There's more girls than boys coming. There's more girls than boys.
Cynthia will be there too?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
That is the pretty view. Going uphill.
You see Wawa?
I mean, it wasn't like this when we were going to the Mola. Just like higher. Bye. Mommy.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Wawa.
Wawa, la Wawa, huh?
Yeah, Wawa.
We're gonna reach the clouds.
Put your hands up like the ceiling can know that.
Yes, yes, yes.